To achieve the longest possible work life, cranes, just like humans, need to be operated and maintained with proper care. Let's ask a genuine real-life crane operator. First, where are we and what kind of crane do you operate?
Me ollaan Maijer Turun telakalla ja uudemmassa pukkinosturissa tällä hetkellä.
Tell us more about these gantry cranes.
Tää on 2017 rakennettu nosturi ja vanhempi nosturi on 70-luvulla valmistunut. Molemmat on käyttökunnossa kuitenkin.
What kind of crew is normally needed to operate this Goliath?
5-6 on semmonen normaali vuoroporukka tässä, että kuljettaja plus 4 tai 5 alamiestä.
So you're up here and the others are down there. Do you stay up here throughout your shift?
Tää me vietetään koko työvuoroaika sitten ohjaamossa ylhäällä.
Even if there's a storm?
Tää on varmaan yksi turvallisempi paikka siinä vaiheessa, että ukkosen johdattimet hoitaa salamat sit pois.
Okay, so work gets done regardless of the weather?
Tuulirajat on ainoastaan niinku semmonen periaatteessa, mikä meitä estää.
In fact, when the winds are blowing more than 20 meters per second, the safety systems kick in and the crane stops moving. Safety always comes first. A big machine like a Goliath probably needs a lot of muscle to operate it, right?
Pukkinosturi on iso ja hellää. Pehmeästi käsittelee, kun itse käsittelee sitä pehmeästi. Se tekee samalla tavalla, mitä sä kohtelet sitä, niin kaikki toiminnot reagoi siihen.
Wow, that sounds precise. A typical crane service routine involves several phases: inspection and diagnostics, fault identification, repair planning and quoting, part replacement or component repair and ordering new parts, testing, and final reporting. These phases ensure the crane is safe, efficient, and meets operational requirements. These routines are often part of a broader life cycle service program and are designed to minimize unplanned downtime, which can be very costly for customers. It's extremely important to maintain cranes regularly. It's the key to extending their life cycle, which can span decades. The equipment can also be retrofitted and modernized several times during its lifetime. By utilizing real-time data and remote monitoring, we can anticipate component or equipment failure. This way, you optimize maintenance activities, save resources, and reduce emissions. A well-maintained crane is energy efficient and reliable. The life of a crane is filled with hard work and challenging circumstances. This is why, in addition to state-of-the-art technology and innovative designs, Konecranes also focuses on circular and sustainable solutions to offer the longest possible life for its cranes. Konecranes moves what matters.